Hey guys, for today's video will be another Canva tutorial. It's how to add a drop shadow to your images or to the elements in your Canva project. So to add a drop shadow, we create a project. Let's say YouTube thumbnail. So once we created the project, we can put some elements in here. So we can put this for example, or maybe we can put an image, any image. For example, a flag. So now how do we add a drop shadow to these images? So here you can see clearly here. Press edit. Edit the image. So here we can see filters, apps, style match, and shadows. So we can see in this drop down menu shadows. So once we see the shadows, we click here. Click on shadows, see all. So how now we can see the shadows page, and we will simply press drop. So here you can see that there is a drop in the image, right? There's a drop shadow around here. So to do that again, we can just select other pictures or elements. Once here, we do the same thing, press edit, go to shadows, see all, and drop. So that's how simple it is to add a drop shadow in your Canva account. You can see it gives a wonderful effect to your graphics. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you have a good one.